Good afternoon, YouTube world. This is Repairs by Almost coming at you again. This is a 2017 Jeep Cherokee. No, this is a 2017 Jeep Patriot. And we're doing a tune-up on it. Just the spark plugs and new coil packs on it. And I'm just going to show you a quick video. These are the only tools you'll need. This is a star-shaped Torx bit set right here. And the smaller side is a T20. It's actually, well, I can't read it. I believe it's a T27 is what is used for these Zerk screws right here on each coil. And then you'll need a flathead screwdriver or pick tool. I used a flathead screwdriver so that way I wouldn't break the little plastic off down there on the tabs right there. You just pop it in there and loosen it, slide it back, and then it'll loosen that tab. It's a little gray tip on there, if you can see it by my thumb, and you push it down and slide it out, and then the tab just comes right off. Then you'll need, I have two different size extensions right here. This is the longer of the two. This is a 1 foot extension, or 12 inches, and then this is 6 inch. And then I have a spark plug 5/8 socket on the end of there. That's the size of the spark plugs, and a broke neck ratchet. That way I can get every angle, and I can even turn it this way and get even more better leverage on there. Or if you have to use a pry bar or a breaker bar, on it, you can do that. You shouldn't have to do that on spark plugs. If you do, then you got a major problem on your hands. And I also like to use a lubricator. This is WD-40, and what I do is, once I take the coils out, I squirt a little bit down in the hole, let it sit for about 30 to 45 seconds, and then I slowly break the spark plug loose from its threads. And when you get it out, you can see exactly how it lubed the spark plug up. This is the first one that I took out, and it was worn. The guy said that it's been in the car since he had it, and he bought the car brand new. And you can see how the spark plug was fouling on it. But that's the first one. This is one of the old coils off the car. You can't really tell externally that the coil is bad or not, but on the engine it was throwing a code that coil number 2 was bad and fouling, which is this one right here. And the customer, he bought one coil and had a different mechanic put it on there, and then another one went bad. And so, I told him to go ahead and do the spark plugs and all the coils to make sure that everything was working in tip-top condition, brand new together. So, like I said, folks, I'm putting Autolite copper spark plugs in there, and the gap on his old ones was at 0.065, and the new ones will have to be gap. Make sure before you put your new spark plugs in the holes that you check the gap on your spark plugs. And this is what I mean by a gap. You get a spark plug gap tool right here, like so. This one comes from AutoZone, but you can get them from Walmart or wherever. This is the inch side, and this is the millimeters right here on this side. But that's all I got for you, folks. Thank you, and I hope that this helps you on your journey with your Jeep Patriot. Thanks, and goodbye.